street, dude.
Premiums and prepaid.
Call 1-866-907-2721. Paid for by the Boy Scouts of America.
When you're stressed, you just don't feel like yourself. New Natrol Relaxia, a full line of drug-free soaps.
That. Oh my God.
Hey,
It's easier to have carpet you love right where you live. New carpet and free installation. Only from Home Depot. How doers get more done. Free installation on carpet $4.99 or more.
Sorry. What was that shit move?
You know my abs are solid. I never skipped a class in college. I didn't drop out of college just to sign a record deal, just to get dropped 10 months later. I'm known for my sex appeal. I hate when they're paying me. I could never make a beat. Bill.
I don't know what the fuck is talking to. I don't care if they have it already on time. I want to. Okay, bro. What the fuck?
Stores, that may be the case, but in regular retail stores, it's the retail stores. Yeah, it's the retail stores that you see the.
Grocery stores have plenty of things.
They've got stuff.
They got everything.
Well, because I think, you know, if you're gonna, the one supply chain you can't have slow down is the food.
Yeah, it's not. We're good.
It's crazy because when I've used
Probably you can find it on eBay now for like double the price. But I think there's a lot of losers like me that just think stupid stuff is cool.
it's cool,
For sure. There's a lot of that out there. We'll take a break. When we come back in a moment, what girly things are more Japanese men doing as the pandemic rolls on? What's up with the Asians is up after this.
Previously on Dave and Chuck the Freak.
There was a car crash in the Swiss Alps involving a
What are you fucking
Mercedes-Benz,
doing?
a Porsche 911 Cabriolet, and a Bugatti Chiron.
Danny and everybody else I know, we had 30 friends in common. And then,
Holy shit. Good Christ. What the
In a quarter
fuck?
mile, merge onto I-95 North.
Are you serious, dude?
before, I was back like 1500, and that was,
You see that?
no,
it's not as cold. That leisure wear. Because of an athlete. Yeah, it is athleisure.
Who cares though if you could see her nipples?
I guess the people at the plasma center. Where is this though? Utah?
Utah.
Yeah, Utah. Yeah, it's different. You can't show nipples. You always have to give in, right? That's the way of the world. Oh man, people give in. Some don't, but yeah, some do because they'll face too much. Again, it's all started with one person's tweet.
#1 brand in prepaid. Plus, enjoy high-speed data on both devices for just $65 a month.
Experience required. Health and safety are top priority with all positions and locations. Find a job now at Amazon.com/apply.
Wow.
Amazon.
What are you doing? Oh boy. What the fuck are you doing?
Good stop.
Stop sign.
Good
Damn.
stop.
Whoa! Fucking bus in my way.
Of course. Always a bus.
What?
Because they get it right.
Oh, they kill it,
serious.
and they
Get
care.
it right.
They care about doing a good job.
They care, they kill it, they're like nice, they get everything right.
Listen, I'm not going to say which one it was, what place it was, but I went
going
to a
on?
place recently, and when I pulled up, it
hell?
looked like...
Oh wait, we're going to Lynn. Jesus! What the fuck? Sorry. No, it's not.
So here's it, an average guy who can, again, fit comfortably in an Arizona can.
Whoa.
You think he should just walk away. He
What
shouldn't
the
even give it a
fuck,
shot.
T?
Can I just say this, Lisa?
Oh, neat.
Whoa!
What just happened?
This guy almost drove into the side of that guy.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Chestnut Avenue.
There's Encore.
Oh shit. No, it reminds me of like.
Okay.
Oh
Jesus.
wow, Jesus. Dude, at least like go faster. Like.
Oh my god. What the fuck are you doing?
That's so avoidable.
Stop. Fucking crazy person. No. Lady. Fuck. Hell. Yo! No! What the fuck was that? Jesus fuck, man.
Or they might say, you could use another virtual cooking class or two. Or the kids drew unicorns on me again. Or I know you missed the gym,
My dude. He is going hard.
Watch out for that motorcycle.
I know. Oh my god!
Maple Cool Drops in Honey Lemon Chill. Use as directed. At Rock 99, we love saying the F word. Yep, free.
Oh.
2 hours.
Those are my thoughts, not yours. I'm Dave Hunter on Dave and Chuck the Freak.
Previously on Dave and Chuck the Freak.
Listen, I think this is where that whole transsexual porn.
Beantown Taqueria.